Here's the Wilson WA-5 Griffith Loar Tribute replica. One of the nicest mandolins I've actually ever played. This thing really stands up. Nice Wilson engraved James tailpiece, nice antique work, but not over the top. Nice, ignore the tone guard, flame or bird's eye maple back. Same for the ribs, varnish finish, impeccable varnish finish, I might add. Just beautiful. I'll ask Craig to get on here and do more explaining as to why we have the chicken, but I like the chicken. Quack! So, you know, we might nickname this mandolin the Thunder Chicken or Foghorn Leghorn. But boy, I just love it. I love the finger rest here. The resonance is, I'm just barely touching this thing. See here? And it's big and throaty. The sweet spot moves over a little bit to the left because the bridge, as you can see, is over to the left. Study about the Griffith Loar and you'll kind of see where this whole thing came from. I won't belabor you with a story, but I played the original 1923 Griffith Loar some years ago. It was my favorite mandolin. To date, still is, but Craig Wilson knocked this out of the ballpark. I'll play a little bit of maybe Monroe style Wayfaring Stranger. By the way, these are the original strings that Craig put on the mandolin. When he made it, I need to change strings. So it's this gray with the original strings on it.